PC build under $900. If you search this on YouTube, you will see many videos, but how is this video is different from all the others? Well, in this video I will show you the components which will provide the best gaming performance under $900. Let's get started. So for the processor, we have chosen the Intel 12th generation Core i3-12100F. This one costs around $108, and reason for choosing this processor is, as you all know, according to benchmarks and many popular YouTubers, this processor is the best value for money gaming processor in 2022. You will get up to 4.3 GHz boost clock speed, which will give you excellent performance in gaming, and also you will get 4 core and 8 thread, which will give you medium level performance in video editing. So overall for around $100, it's an excellent deal. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the MSI Mac B660M. This one cost around $129, and with that price you are going to get 4 RAM slot, 2 NVMe SSD where you will be able to use high speed NVMe SSD. You will get PCIe Gen 4 support, and you will get a big heatsink in the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And overall for only under $129, it's an excellent board. Now comes the main components of this build. Plug-in gaming RTX 3060 Ti 8GB. This one costs around $389. Now as you all know, graphics card is the main components for gaming. The better graphics card are, the better performance you get, and with this graphics card you can play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings, and you can also try 1440p gaming in many titles with medium to high settings easily and smoothly. So under $400, it's an excellent deal. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team T-Force Delta RGB 16GB. Now each of them are 8GB, so in total we will get 16GB. As you can see, those RAMs are covered with white heatsink. Not only this looks cool, but also will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated, and also you are getting fancy RGB effect on top, and also you are getting lifetime warranty with those RAMs. Then for the storage, we are using the fastest NVMe SSD on market, the Samsung 980 Pro 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. This one costs around $100, and with this $100 you are going to get insane read-ready speed. As you can see by this picture, this SSD is the fastest SSD in the market, which will help your PC boot faster, your games load faster, your software will load faster, and overall will give you an excellent super fast experience. And for under $100, it's an unbeatable deal. Then for the power supply, you have chosen the Corsair CXM 750W power supply. This one costs around $89. Now this 750W is more than enough to power this PC safely, and also this power supply is a semi-modular power supply, so you will be able to unplug all the unnecessary cables, so your cable management will be excellent, and you are also going to get 5-year plus warranty, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the casing, we are using the Deepcool Matrix 55 V3 ARGB. This one costs around $64. Now with this casing, you will get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans in the front and a glass in the front, glass in the side, and overall for under $65, it's an excellent deal. And all those components will cost around $939. Thanks for watching.